Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? Inside our nose, there are countless sensitive cells. When tiny particles like dust, mold, or other intruders enter, these cells immediately send a warning signal to the brain. The brain quickly analyzes the situation and commands the lungs to take action. The lungs draw in a deep breath, then forcefully push the air out, blasting away the unwanted particles. And just like that, achoo, that's how our body protects us from harmful invaders. But remember, whenever you sneeze, cover your nose and mouth with a tissue and wash your hands afterwards. This helps stop the spread of germs and viruses. Sneezing may seem simple, but it's actually an amazing reflex that keeps us healthy. Do you know any fun science facts? Share them below.